Greetings, my friends. This is Andrey. Welcome to another episode. I'm your property consultant here in Phuket, and today we have a gorgeous 4-bedroom pool villa overlooking Rawai Beach. It's incredible. We had that villa in our catalog, but this is the first time actually I'm visiting the villa for the inspection and for the shooting. Absolutely incredible villa. And that villa available for a short-term vacation and very close to Rawai and Nai Harn. Anyway, let me show you and present you the Casa Alma Villa. Welcome to Harmony Estate. This is Andrey. I'm in love. It's incredible. Let me show you the villa. So the villa is located in the south part of Phuket at Rawai area, closer to Rawai. And you do have a very interesting beach here, which is private. There are not so many people at the beach. I'm going to show you now. I will head there and I will inspect the beach. And if you would like to go to Rawai, it's 2 minutes away from here. Nai Harn is 5 minutes away from here. Inside the villa you have 3 floors, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, private pool, parking spot for 2 or 3 cars, security, CCTV, so all useful infrastructure is here. So that's the kitchen and dining and living area, and over there you do have a sunbeds and big terrace, and that's a great spot. So I'm here all day, and the view is great. The view is great. Staff can help you with all your requests regarding the breakfasts and the dinner or all the transportation stuff. So great villa. In terms of location, it's a great villa. You are close to all infrastructure, yet away from hustle and bustle, and that's great. Absolutely great villa. I love that. The prices start from $1,000 per night in low season, with minimum amounts of nights 3, and in high season the prices will be higher, so it depends on your length of the stay. Promotions may be applied. So yeah, let me show you that villa from the point of view, from my view. And yeah, great villa. You feel yourself like you're at home, with the furniture, with the lights, with the great quality of finishes, and everything is in high quality. Let me show you that villa. That's your pool, and that's your tree, and that's somebody making the noises over there. But anyway, you do have a private terrace here, and you do have that gorgeous view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely weather, not that hot. And we are on the second floor you can find, let me show you what you can find. It's a kitchen here, small yet everything that you need. And this is the dining area and the living area. I love the windows here. They are very reliable for sure. And this is a bedroom. You do have a very nice tile on the floor. This is a cozy sofa. Look at the view. That's the bedroom, and the bathroom is over there. Let me show you the highest floor area where you can park your car, and this is a staircase leads you here onto the main building. And we are moving up, and she says that she's going home, so we have to move. This is your master bedroom with a kitchen, and that's the area for which you're gonna have a lot of fights, as this is really something incredible. This is your kitchen and the living area. Look at that. The bedroom is here, and the best part of the master bedroom is here. Dum, 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 dum. That's the bathtub. That's the bathtub with the view. Incredible. That's the bathtub, that's the vanity setup, and yeah, great, absolutely great. Walk-in closets. The master bedroom is here, and you have the terrace overlooking the Rawai area, plus sunbeds. Showing you the master bedroom, another master bedroom, and we are here on the very ground floor. So you have a very big sizes pool. Somebody is making the noises, but anyway, time to go home. And we do have a lot of greens. We are thank you, my friends, appreciate that. So that's the villa from the outside. You do have a very good area. Outdoor shower, toilets, the barbecue is set up, another kitchen is here, the sunbeds are here, And look at that. That's the beach. That's the pool. Master bedroom, another master bedroom. Everything is beautiful. And by the way, I think that's the bedrooms for the kids. They are quite smaller, but for the kids they are absolutely okay. I can show you it's closed already. But the pool, the view, the area, the location, the freshness of the air, absolutely incredible. In case you would like to book that villa or any other villa from our catalog, let me know. My contacts down there below. This was Andrey, Harmony Estate, your property consultant here in Phuket. Absolutely gorgeous villa, and let me know if you have any questions on that. My contacts down there. Hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and I wish for you all the best, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day.